Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called sponsored work permits. I've done a number of videos on this channel. For those who are unaware, sponsored work permits, it's basically where you just fake working for another company. You basically say you work for a company, they say they're employing you, and then they put you onto their company as a work permit holder. I've made a number of videos as to why that's not a good idea. Most notably, it's definitely fraud, depending on the circumstances. Well, I should say, depending on the circumstances, it's fraud. It's probably fraud. If you're not really working there and you have a work permit there, well, you know, that's pretty deceptive. The other issue could be you could run into real issues with immigration, including deportation. It could also be viewed as a species of human trafficking, depending on the circumstances. But one of the major things about it is, in my opinion, it's just impractical. I just had to deal with somebody, these past few weeks here that was a client here in our firm that basically had gotten into sort of a situation similar to this where they were kind of pretextually on a work permit and they were trying to deal with extricating themselves, and there were all sorts of problems, and they couldn't get the requisite documentation that they needed associated with various aspects of their status here in Thailand, and it just resulted in a real problem. An alternative to this, and I've noted this many, many times, if you're looking to be in Thailand and you're looking to do business, a small business can accommodate. You can set up a Thai corporation, maintain work permit and visa status through your own company. For Americans under the Amity Treaty, you can own your company outright, notwithstanding the provisions of the Foreign Business Act that require certain Thai ownership requirements depending on the type of business you do. So again, it's going to depend on the facts of a specific case, but in my opinion, 99% of the time, those who are looking for a quote-unquote sponsored work permit are going to be much better served by setting up a company in Thailand and maintaining their status while doing business in Thailand through that type of vehicle.